Good morning students, myself Ajit. Today I'll cover some remaining topics of our first chapter of class 6 science. The chapter name was sources of food. Today I'll begin with ingredients of food. First of all, I'll tell you what are ingredients. Ingredients are the substances which are required to prepare any food item. Now we will begin with the example of ingredients. Let's take boiled rice. In boiled rice we have two ingredients. First is rice and second is water only. Now the second example of ingredients is chicken biryani. As you know, the chicken biryani has lot of ingredients and these are rice, water, chicken, salt, several spices and vegetable oil also. Now the one thing has to be clear, that where do we get these ingredients from? As you know that we can get these ingredients either from the plants and animals. However, there are some ingredients which we cannot obtain from the plants and animals. We can obtain these from earth only, and these are water and salt. Now we will discuss about sources of food. We get food from plants and animals, as you know really well. You know that green plants prepare their own food from non-living things. Non-living things are carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. The plants get carbon dioxide from the air, water from the roots, from the soil itself, and they get sunlight from the sun. These are found in the environment. Green plants are known as producers because they are able to prepare their own food or produce their own food. They prepare more food than they need. It means they prepare extra food. So the extra food is stored in different parts of the plant. We get the following foods from animals, like milk. We get milk from cow, buffalo, goat and camel. Apart from milk, and milk is also used to prepare milk products such as cheese, butter, ghee, curd and ice cream. We also get eggs from animals. We get eggs from hen, duck and quail. We also get meat from some animals like hen, duck, goat, fish and crab. Apart from this, we can also get honey from honeybees. Honeybees collect nectar from flowers and take it to their hive. There they convert it into honey and store it as food. We get honey from the beehives. There are some sources of plants which are also available. You are able to see this with the help of this picture or this image. We can get fruits from plants. Fruits are banana, mango and apple. We can get leaves, we can get stems, we can get roots, we can get flowers and we can get seeds also. Now we will discuss about one activity, and this is to sprout some seeds. In this activity we require some seeds of moong or chickpea. Soak them overnight in water. Now drain out the water the next day and wrap the seeds in a wet cloth. Now keep the cloth wet by sprinkling water on it. Observe the seeds after one day. Has a small white structure grown out of the seeds? Yes. The seeds have sprouted. The white structure will develop into the root of a seedling. You can wash the sprouted seeds and eat them raw. You can also boil the sprouted seeds and You can also add salt and spices and make a tasty snack. Thank you, students.